and welcome back. So in last couple of tutorials, as you must be knowing that I use a XPro developer toolkit a lot, okay, to debug the scripts, to execute certain scripts out, right? And I got a lot of comments stating that what is this particular tool is and how we can enable it out on a ServiceNow instance, right? So today I decided that I will create a short tutorial for the same. Okay, so let's first understand what XPro developer toolkit is. So XPro developer toolkit is used by professionals across the world to improve development activities and support for the instances. Okay, it's you can call it as a ServiceNow application. It helps you to have a background script alternative which is quite user friendly, I feel. Okay, client console alternative, you can test and debug your code over there. Okay, you can build the regular expression kind of testing tool. Okay, also you can format your JSONs, okay, format your XML files. Okay, there is a table explorer also and a lot of things. Okay, I will not go into that depth today. I will explain you how we can install it out on your ServiceNow system, and I will give you some glance of the features of the same. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, this is the ServiceNow instance. Okay, my personal instance. So what you have to do, you have to just type ServiceNow share. Okay, we don't want to look into the stock price for ServiceNow. Okay, we are not interested in that. So you will have a link, ServiceNow share. You can go to this link. So this is kind of repository which ServiceNow created where people can commit their codes. Okay, and people who are looking for the same content, okay, can look for the predefined code or pre-built application. They can download it and they can install it out on their personal instances or any instance. Okay, not specific to personal instance. So this is the portal. Here you can see the categorization of all the projects. Okay, if you want to search some new projects also, you can look into that. You can see the most downloaded, highest rated, okay, editor choice, and you will be finding this XPro developer toolkit at the top only. Okay, if you are unable to find it over there, okay, you can search it out from here. So let's search it out. So I will search XPro. I'll hit enter. And now we can see we have XPro developer toolkit, right? So I will open this out and it will give you all the features. So this particular application is created by James. Okay, thanks James first of all for building this application. You can see the feature list. You can also see the release note. It's also present on the GitHub. If you want to see the code base for the same, you can explore over there also. Okay, so what we do, you have update set previews also, means what all things are present in that update set when you download it out. So that process script includes UI actions, UI scripts. If you want to learn certain things out, you can look into this. Okay, but for today's tutorial we will be simply downloading it out. So you can see the download option at the top. Okay, just click on download and now your application is got downloaded, application XML. Now you can commit that particular, you can call it as an update set. Now you can commit that particular update set the way you commit all the other update sets. Okay, so you can go to your system, you can go to retrieved update set. Okay, under retrieve update set you can do import update set from XML. Okay, we have to choose file. So I will do show in downloads. Okay, so I will try to drag the screen out. Okay, so this is the XML file for the XPro. I will simply copy this part out, so it will be pretty easy for me to navigate it to that particular thing. Okay. And this is the update set which we were looking for. Now you can simply upload it out. Okay, once you upload, you can see it's in the loaded state. So as you go with a convenient way, okay, how we publish the update set, you can first preview the update set by clicking on the preview update set button. So it will preview the entire list of customer updates. Okay, there are 29 customer updates. I don't know what happened. I will preview it again. So it's getting previewed. We didn't get any errors. Okay, definitely we will not get an error because it's a custom application. So we will not get error for the same. Okay. And now we can go for commit update set. So I'm committing my update set. It will not take not even a minute, okay, to get committed. Okay. So as you can see, it got succeeded and your Xplore is now present on your system. Okay, if you want, you can refresh your instance. Okay, and now you can see the shortcut over here. Okay, for Xplore, if you want to see the entire application, you can search Xplore. Okay, and here you will get the application file for the same. So I'll go from the shortcut, and this is the screen which will be visible, which will pop up, okay, when you navigate to the Xplore. Okay, so it has a lot of options. This particular screen is acting like a acting like a background script. You can call this an alternative for background script, but pretty handy. Okay, you can you can change the scope from here. You can check the outputs over here. When you run the script, you will get the outputs over here. In user data tab, you can basically prettify the stuff. Okay, if it's JSON, XML, whatever is there, you can prettify it over there. You have also a regular expression matcher. Okay, so you can try certain regular expression. Okay, using this. Then we have table hierarchy. Okay, in this they have already provided quite a good hints. Okay, how to use this particular application. So I will not go into depth. Okay, so you can try the table hierarchy also, which will give the information what are the parent tables for the provided table, what are the child tables, and so on. Okay, and then we have logs where you can find system log, application logs, and all that things. Okay, so this is how we can import the update set for Xplore. We can first of all find the update set for Xplore, import it out, and this is the interface which you can find. So I use it a lot, okay, during my tutorials. So if you have open question till now that what exactly editor I'm using, am I using external editor? So now I think I have answered those questions out. So this is all for today's tutorial. Hope you like this video. Please like, follow, subscribe, and so that you will get the regular updates on my new videos. Okay, till then, stay safe, stay happy, and have a nice day. Thank you.